If I do system restore, will the viruses be removed? A system restore can remove some viruses, but it's not a guaranteed solution. It rolls back Windows to an earlier state, which may undo recent malware infections if they appeared after the restore point was created. However, system restore doesn't affect personal files, meaning viruses hiding in downloads, documents, or external drives can remain. Additionally, advanced malware like rootkits or deeply embedded infections can survive the process. To improve security, always scan your system with Windows Defender after a restore and check for any suspicious activity. While system restore can help in some cases, it's not a foolproof way to remove all viruses, so additional security measures are recommended. If you notice any of these issues, take action immediately to remove the malware and secure your system. We have already created a step-by-step tutorial to detect and manually remove any malware from your PC. Watch it too. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.